So a buddy of mine just had an accident. Another one. I've already shared one of his accidents on the channel. This van is supposed to go straight. The arrow goes straight. But look at this freaking moron. He tries to turn left across this lane and smashes my buddy's pickup. What a freaking jerk. This truck has been through so much. It's so sad. But yeah, he just had a wreck and he is still on the scene of the accident. So I'm going to roll up and make sure he's all right, make sure his truck's good to drive, see if he needs a ride, and just see what happened. Both of these accidents took place within 1 block of each other. As a matter of fact, I can use the same audio from the other accident for this one. The arrow goes straight, but look at this freaking moron. He tries to turn left across this lane and smashes my buddy's pickup.
What are you doing? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man.
So this is all a brand new body work to fix the damage from the last accident. And when did you actually get it back?
Not too long before the cruise. I probably had it back for maybe not even 2 months.
So 2 months and we're already...
Yeah. I mean, that's this fender, yep.
Yep, fender's gone.
I don't know if it bent this, which I mean, it looks like it. That's a part of that. I don't know
your
if
rebar, your reinforcement wire.
I mean, it looks like on his, it got pretty much his broke down on the well that much more.
Yeah. This van is supposed to go straight. The arrow goes straight. But look at this freaking moron. He tries to turn left across this lane and smashes my buddy's pickup.
What are you doing?